Did you notice the significant uptick in food sentiment? With a sentiment score of plus 0.42 and a momentum of plus 0.53, we're observing a notable spike compared to the historical baseline. This suggests an increased positivity around food trends that hasn't been this high recently. Our API returns detailed insights, including sentiment scores and semantic clusters, helping you understand the nuances of food sentiment in real time. Imagine using this data to refine your product offerings or marketing strategies, aligning them with what consumers are excited about right now. Whether you're a food tech startup or an established brand, this could be the edge you need. Ready to dive deeper? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs.